Yeah, welcome traders. This is Zone Point FX, where we wait, we trap, and we definitely strike. So now I want to do a quick analysis on BTCUSD. So let's just start from weekly for people that will be seeing this so fresh. Let's start from weekly. So what do you want to do on weekly? We want to check where our weekly is rejecting from a key level. Like our weekly should reject from a key level. So we have this weekly reject weekly. This is a key level of weekly reject weekly. So we'll be writing it out as WW. I'm coming, guys. Writing it out as WW. Never finish. So I'm coming, guys. I just want us to do this analysis together so that you see how it's done. I hope you guys are seeing me. Just bear with me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm using my phone, so that's why it will be kind of slow a little bit, but let's just see what we can do. So we have this weekly widgets weekly here. We have this weekly widgets weekly here, right? We have this weekly widget weekly. So the market is bearish, is not bullish since weekly widgets weekly, and there was an external liquidity swept. There was a swept here. There was this. There was this. This is an external liquidity here. I think I just need to do this. We should do this together, so I think it will be better. EST liquidity. I'm sorry, guys. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Like, I just need to, as we are doing this video, I also need to save some things for my own self too, so that I won't be. Okay, we have this external liquidity here. Hope you guys are seeing. We have this external liquidity here. We have this external liquidity here also. That price has already do what? Swept. And now price swept in, it's closing below. It means we are in a bearish trend. Yeah, we are in a bearish trend. I'll be looking for bearish setup. And we have this internal liquidity that price is coming to take for the weekly. We have this internal liquidity on our weekly. We have this internal liquidity. We have this. Okay, I don't want to use this. I want to use test so that I can. The reason why I'm using this test is so that it will be easy to move all around. We have this internal liquidity also. Copy. Hope you guys are seeing the way I'm doing it though. Coming. Yeah, we have this internal liquidity here. We have this internal liquidity here. Sorry, guys. Let me just zoom in very well so that I can push it. We have this internal liquidity here. That this weekly internal liquidity, that price is coming to take out after, but now we are in a bearish trend. So what we do, we go to a daily time frame, a time frame lower to it. We can see this internal liquidity. You can see where it is. We can see where this internal liquidity is. You can see where it is. So, and inside this internal liquidity, we have this OC key level here that price is going to bounce from to continue moving up. But I don't need that for now. I don't need that for now. What I need is I want to check out for what is happening currently. What is happening currently? You see this external liquidity that I was saying on the weekly. See, price have swept it up and price is doing what's coming bearish. You can see that's what I explained on the weekly share. So let me push this one to, let me push, okay, I can't push it. I've forgotten that is a key level line. Let me just bring it nearby. Yeah, so we have this weekly rejecting weekly, external liquidity, internal liquidity. And on this daily now, now, what do we have on daily? On daily now, I want to see a key level that prices will reject. I've already did this analysis before. Now, I just want us to see it together. That's why I'm redoing this analysis again. I've done it before. I don't just want to be selfish. That's why I bring it out. So this, now we have this key level here. This is a OC key level that price is doing what, reacting from. When I did this analysis and sent it to a group, somebody is telling me that the price is bullish, is going to do this. The person was actually looking, the person told me daily reject daily, and the person was actually looking at this OC because price was rejecting here. Let me just circle it so that we can see. The person was actually looking at this OC level here because price was rejecting from here, and I told the person no, it's not daily rejecting daily. For it to be daily, that time price has not gotten to this place. I think after this video I'll show you the charts and the everything so that we see price has not gotten to this level around that time. Price was around here. I think price was around somewhere here. It's trying to move up to come and meet this daily level here, so which I marked earlier before. I just use this to explain one or two, don't get confused. But now we are in a bearish trend. Daily reject daily. I'm supposed to enter a trade now, but I will enter it later after this video. Daily reject daily here. We have this. So once if we are analyzing, just be confident with your analysis. Don't allow another person to come and convince you, or what you actually know the other person may not know it. So don't allow that person to convince you. Just stay on your analysis, and if it play out, fine. But if it did not play out, try to check what happened, why it did not play out, and try to now consider what that other person said, if it's that what really happened or not. So we have this, let me shift this. We have this our daily reject daily here. Hope you guys are seeing me. Daily reject daily. So we have in this our daily reject daily here. We have this as our, this first internal liquidity for us from the weekly, but for this day, this today, we'll be using this as our internal liquidity. Hope you guys are following me. We'll be using this as our internal liquidity. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, we'll be using this as our internal liquidity. We are on a daily chart, and we are a day trader, so we need a swing trader. We wait for price to come and take out this internal liquidity before start buying. Once price take out this weekly internal liquidity below here, price will start doing what? Start buying up to the upside. But now I want price to take out all this internal liquidity first, and I can't wait for price to come to this OC level here. This is a OC level. It may take 2 days, 3 days, depending, but I don't want to wait till then, so I want to trade. So now I'm seeing a clearer trade here. Daily is already rejecting daily, and I have this internal key level. So what will I do? I'll go to 4 hours. On my 4 hours, on my what do I want to say, on my daily, yeah, I'm already seeing daily rejecting daily, because this count is kind of closing below it. Right, this count is closing below it. So now what do I want to do on my 4 hours now? Hope you guys are seeing the chart. I want to save this for some reference purpose. So on this weekly now, we commit to weekly. We have I'm coming. Let me shift this. I like to shift my thing closer so that I'll be seeing everything that is happening. I like to shift so that I'll be seeing every fucking thing that is happening. That's why I use this personal test alone. Because if I use it with the line, once the line is expanding, the test too will be expanding and I won't be seeing what is happening. So that's why I use this one-on-one test. Once I expand it now, it won't affect me. Okay. And I think it's okay like this. I can see what I want like this also. So we have weekly rejects weekly, fine, and make it bearish, and we have this external liquidity being swept to the upside, fine, and we have this daily rejects daily from our daily. We have this internal liquidity from our daily. This external liquidity below is from our weekly. So you can see we do not want to work on this weekly first. We want to work on this daily. So what we'll be waiting for is price to reject back, like price to close back this current candle that is forming now, to close back and give us a rejection sign below. But have it in mind, we have this inefficiency here. Sorry guys, we have this inefficiency here. This inefficiency, that is the fair value gap. People call it fair value gap, but me, I call it imbalance. We have that imbalance there, and inside that imbalance we also have this, we have inside that imbalance we have this oc key level here. Yeah, inside that imbalance. So have that in mind. Price may, we have daily reject daily that we are expecting price to normally, we are expecting price to do what? So now, sorry guys for that. So now we have this imbalance here. We have to put it in back of our mind that there's imbalance. But again, there's also daily rejecting daily. What we are waiting for is, for this our daily rejecting daily now, what we are waiting for is, I don't know if I can draw like this. I need to close this. What we are waiting for is this kind of candle. Just, I'm also using this medium to teach and also analyzing my chart. So if somebody picked it, somebody that did not really know about this, they can still have some advanced learning idea. So what I'm expecting, this candle that is forming, what I'm expecting it to do is to close below and have a weak like this, a weak rejection like this from this our daily. This is our daily rejecting daily that we have here. Why is this thing doing like this? We have this. Sorry guys, I just want to, yeah, this is what I want to pick since we have this our daily rejecting daily, which on a daily chart we already have this rejection. This is it here, where this candle that my line cross line is, we have this rejection. You can see this candle that I'm moving. So we already have this rejection on this daily rejecting daily, fine, which means it's going to be bearish. And again, we can't go bullish because what do we have? We already have a weekly rejecting weekly. So we going bullish on this trend is like an error. So what we'll be looking for is a bearish setup. So we coming back to our 4 hours now. I just used that to explain something. So on our 4 hours now, this is the type of candle we are expecting to see. This current candle that is forming, if it will form, we still have like 3 hours for the candle to form. By the close of the candle, we're expecting the price to do something like this. Sorry guys, we're expecting the price to come down bearish like this. Once the price come down bearish, I can start selling from it if I want to use my 4 hours as confirmation. Once the price come down close below it and give me this type of candle information I drew here, I'll be going bearish. I'll be going bearish to this next liquidity. This is what I'm expecting on this formation, this kind of information for how it will work out. We have a weekly internal liquidity that we saw from our weekly and our daily. Yeah, so we need price to, from here, we want price to react, bounce into this internal, this internal liquidity. There is a key level. I'm coming, let me zoom in very well. Some people at a particular time, 4 hours, they'll be using here as a liquidity. Yeah, it's right. Here is a liquidity. Fine. Here is a liquidity that price is coming to take out. That is why it must be a bearish. Here is a liquidity that price is coming to take out. Fine. Some people will be expecting price to. I'm coming. I need to delete this. Some people will be expecting price to this rejection, and once they see they know price is coming bearish. But some people will be expecting price to come take out this liquidity, tapped in here, because this is a key level here. This internal liquidity that we will mark on our daily is a key level on the 4 hours. So some people will be using here as a key level to buy. But if they don't have the proper vision of what the weekly is doing and what is happening, they want to continue buying, and price will use them as what, as SL. Price will tap them out and later come bearish to come and take out this weekly internal liquidity. Once you take out this internal liquidity to a key level, either a CO key level, open and close gap, or a support key level, once you tap into it, it will now start. That is when it will now start moving bullish to come and take out this external liquidity again. Hope you guys understand. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to derive out. So this is what my expectation is. This is what my expectation is. This is what my expectation is. Like something like this. Oh, sorry guys. Let me just pull it to this side. This is my expectation. My expectation so far. This is my expectation. So let me save this. Let me save this. This is what I want the 4 hours candle to be like. Let me just pin it out so that I know it, but I want to send this to a group that I am so that they can see it. So alright, expecting 4 hour candle to be like this. Expecting 4 hours candle to be like this. So let me save it. Let me save it. So this is what I'm expecting the 4 hours candle to look like. Yeah. So now let's go to our 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on the 1 hour. Yeah, on the 1 hour, this is what is happening on the 1 hour. So we did not really have much thing to say. I can say the candle is coming. Should we say, let's see how 1 hour is going to open next, but I'll just be waiting on 4 hours. My whole expectation will be on 4 hours. So, but since we already have daily reject daily on this, yeah, and this 4 hours break, it open, close above it. So I think since we have daily reject daily here, and this 4 hours close above this daily rejection, so I can, some people may want to go, let's say the price may want to go bullish here for a little while to come and enter this inefficiency level, to balance this inefficiency level before coming down. Let's see. But remember, this can't do illustration I draw is for a 4 hours. This is what I'm expecting on 4 hours. So but on 1 hour, I can see price is coming to this inefficiency candle before it rejects. But let's see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. So I think that has explained it. I think that this little short explanation has given us what we are looking for. Yeah. Let's just stay on 4 hours. Let's just stay on 4 hours. Let's stay on our 4 hours. We should check for this rejection below this daily reject daily. That this, on the daily, don't forget on the daily, we already have daily reject daily that price is trying to give us. And also we have this after this OC level here. I'm coming, I'm coming, guys. I think I'll be deleting this first so that it won't confuse me. After this, I think I'll be deleting this too. I just hope people have seen what it looks like so that people won't get confused. This small this thing, they're mad gun. So we are expecting daily to reject daily from this level here, one, and we also have this level here also, two. We have this A, let's write it out. We have this is called A key level. We have this A key level here. Sorry guys. Yeah, we have this A key level there. We have this A key level here. We have this A key level here, right? That we're also looking at, and we have this OC level. This place that we're expecting daily to reject daily is also a OC level. Let's write it out. It's called OC key level. It's just that when you are doing your analysis, be flexible with your analysis. Like no possible area that price may react from. So that once price gets to that area, you won't get confused. So we have this OC key level here. We have this OC key level here. So on the daily, we have this OC key level and we have this A key level, right? On the daily, this is what it looks like on the daily. So and now we are seeing kind of like this candle is rejecting from this OC level. But if it did not reject from this OC level and it's pulled up, it will probably come to this A level and do what? And reject, right? Because there's something that no matter what happen, like what lower time frames give you, once you already see a key level on the higher time frame, the key level on the higher time frame will supersede what is on the lower time frame. And I think that is what is going to happen here. We already see a key level on the higher time frame, so I'm expecting the key level on the higher time frame to do what? To supersede what is happening on the lower time frame. So let's just delete this our daily reject daily. I don't want to confuse people. So this is what I'll be expecting. Like my expectation, this is what it looks like. Expecting this candle to give me a information like this. This is OC level from the daily. Don't forget OC level from the daily. This is OC level from the daily, A level from the weekly. So and there's something I want to do again. Let's use a trend line confluence. Let's use trend line to confirm what we are doing. Confluence, and yeah, it's confluence. I'm bad when it comes to English sometimes. Let's use trend line confluence to confirm what we are doing. We are just only using that trend line to confirm, to see if it's aligned with our key levels. if it's aligned with our daily key level. So let's do it on 4 hours. Let's just stay on 4 hours to do it. We have this obvious level here and this level here. Okay, no, let's not use that two level there. Let's use this. Let's use this and this. If you are using this and this, the what is far, the key level is far. The key level is far. Like, let's change it to candlestick. The key level is far because there is a daily key level close to the current candle forming. There is a daily key level close to the current candle forming, and there's also a liquidity here that price has taken out. This is a liquidity here also. Hey, sorry guys, I don't want to use this. This is a liquidity here also that price has. I don't want this video too long. That price has do what? Taken out. This is a liquidity here also that price has taken out. So I'm not expecting the price to move on to this gap here. I'm not expecting it. I'm having one or two doubts on that gap there. I'm having one or two doubts. But price may definitely come to that level. You can't say. But this trend line confluence is far. So I will delete it. Let me change it to this line again. From this line, let's use this and this to see if we can get what we want. This and this. Yeah, one. This and this. This and this is where what price is reacting from to go and buy. So let's see that level 1. Let's change it to line back again. If you are seeing that level, let's also see this level here. I'm just looking for confluence. I'm looking for confluence that back up my key level. That's what I'm looking for. If I'm able to see confluence that back up the key level, I'll be leaving that key level like the way it is. So let's use this. So let's consider these two confluence. Let's leave it. So we can see when price get to this level here, reacted around that confluence. Check that line. It reacted around that line, and this new candle now is forming here. And mind you, this new candle here now, this is it. This candle here now. Oh fuck! I want to explain something. Sorry guys. This line here now, yes, this line here now did what? Has not given us a rejection. So we are kind of on a high probability that price is coming to this A level. It's going to reject from this A level to move down. But we still have like 3 hours. So let's see how 3 hours is going to look like. Let's see how the 3 hours is going to look like. But we are looking for what? A bearish setup, not bullish setup, because we already have what? Weekly reject weekly. That is just the only thing that we are looking for. So thank you, stay blessed and stay good as always.